This video is for all my black people. I'm going to educate you all on the different types of life insurance policies you should consider. First things first, if you have a lot of debt, maybe you have young children, maybe you have a tight budget, you don't have life insurance at all, get you a term life insurance policy. And the most important thing, if you're going to get a term life insurance policy, it should have two things. Number one is it should have living benefits. Living benefits is exactly what it sounds like. It's benefits that you could use while you're alive. God forbid you were to get sick, i.e., like a heart attack, stroke, cancer, bad accident. We had a young 36-year-old woman, literally only had a policy for 4 months, and she found out she had thyroid cancer. The company was willing to accelerate $250,000. God forbid she got sick. Had a young 36-year woman. She had her policy for literally only 4 months. Found out she had thyroid cancer, and the company was willing to accelerate $250,000, and she only paid a couple bucks into her policy. So if you have like a mortgage, maybe again, like you have young kids, you need a lot of life insurance. Most people need $500,000 to $1 million on up. Get your term life insurance policy. Now, if you're north of about 55 years old, you want to consider getting a permanent life insurance policy. Now, obviously, it depends on, what your priorities are at this point in life. But let's say you don't have any life insurance at all. Maybe you didn't do the best when it comes to planning for retirement, and you're like, hey, I want to guarantee I can leave a legacy for the next generation to come. Life insurance is one of the easiest ways to create wealth for the next generation to come, because literally all you have to do is pay your policy. And I also don't offer term life insurance policy for people who are past the age of 55 years old at this point in time, unless they, are just adamant about it having for a mortgage. And the reason why is because you're probably going to outlive that term policy. And when you do outlive it, it's not going to make sense for you to be able to afford a permanent policy at that point in time. So you might as well lock it in now. So I say all to say to all my black people, it all just depends on what you have going on. You just want to sit down with an agent who has your best interest, is going to properly educate you on what makes sense and what doesn't make sense for you. As always, hit that follow. Let's go. Shush.